We will learn today about words and their synonyms. Happy, joyful. Sad, unhappy. Big, large. Small, tiny. Fast, quick. Slow, sluggish. Hot, warm. Cold, chilly. Old, ancient. New, modern. Wet, damp. Dry, arid. Clean, spotless. Dirty, filthy. Hard, difficult. Easy, simple. Soft, tender. Loud, noisy. Quiet, silent. Bright, shiny. Dark, dim. Strong, sturdy. Weak, feeble. Good, excellent. Bad, poor. Long, lengthy. Short, brief. Tall, high. Short, height, petite. Thin, slim. Fat, plump. Rich, wealthy. Poor, money, needy. Kind, caring. Mean, cruel. Nice, pleasant. Ugly, unattractive. Beautiful, gorgeous. Smart, intelligent. Dumb, stupid. Funny, humorous. Serious, grave. Young, youthful. Old, age, elderly. True, correct. False, wrong. Near, close. Far, distant. Same, identical. Different, distinct. Full, packed. Empty, vacant. Rich, taste, flavorful. Bland, tasteless. Hard, touch, solid. Soft, touch, cushiony. Rough, coarse.